This is perhaps the first time that the Prime Minister had made such a direct attack on members of Team Anna. Prime Minister said that it is unfortunate and irresponsible for them to make these comments. And he also said that in fact these are based on unsubstantiated allegations. And reacting to that reaction from Prime Minister Manmohan Singh was Arvind Kejriwal.
The Prime Minister has finally broken his silence and reacted to some of the recent allegations levelled against him and other ministers of his government by Team Anna. To talk about that, I am now joined by Team Anna member Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. So thank you very much for speaking to us. Your reaction to what the Prime Minister has said. He says these comments being made by Team Anna are unfortunate, irresponsible, and he would give up his public life if allegations of corruption against him are proved.
He's basically said three things. One is that the allegations made by us are irresponsible. Now, it is unfortunate that we would have expected that the Prime Minister would go through the CAG report and he would respond accordingly. Now, these are allegations which have not been made by us. These are the allegations made by CAG, which is a constitutional body. Calling the report of CAG, a constitutional body, as irresponsible is not appropriate in our opinion. Second is, Prime Minister has sought to defend all his cabinet colleagues, which is again unfortunate. Without any investigation, without any inquiry, he defends everyone. The third is that he says that if these charges are proved, then I would resign. Now, how would you prove whether these charges are true or not? Only if they were an independent investigation. This is what we have been demanding. Set up a special investigative team. Today in our country there is not a single investigative agency which is independent of the government and which is credible, which is empowered. We are saying set up a independent agency, special investigative team, which would go into all these allegations and give its report in 6 months' time. Only then we can say whether the Prime Minister is guilty or not.
Right. So, this is the first time that the Prime Minister has really reacted to your allegations, and it also seems to be at some level a very strongly emotional response. He says, I will give up public life if anyone can ever prove corruption charges against me. What do you make of the kind of language that he's used?
So the Prime Minister should immediately set up an investigation, independent investigation. We've been demanding that a Lokpal should have been set up. Lokpal was not set up. Why are they afraid of investigations? If the Prime Minister is actually not guilty, let him set up an investigation. Let the whole country know. Let him set up an investigation by the most honest, credible, independent, strong people. Retired judges, some very good retired judges. Let him set it up. Let the whole country know whether he is guilty or not. Now, as far as his personal integrity is concerned, we also believe he has an image of a very clean man.
Right.
But wrongdoings have taken place in the files, in which he seems to be involved. So even if he is not direct beneficiary, where did this money go? Did this money go to the party funds? Or was someone else beneficiary? Or was someone misusing the Prime Minister? The country ought to know about it.
And also, sir, some of the strong statements that have emanated from Team Anna, for example, Mr. Prashant Bhushan referred to the Prime Minister as Shikhandi. Would you say that perhaps the language that has been used might have been slightly intemperate? Do you regret that in any way?
I don't, because you see, Prashant has already clarified, he never called Prime Minister as Shikhandi. All that he said was that like Shikhandi was being used as a shield in Mahabharata, similarly, Congress and the government indulge in corruption, and they use the honesty of the Prime Minister as a shield, in the same manner as Shikhandi was used as a shield. So he was referring to that. And I don't think I think the debate is being sidelined by questioning the language. If you don't agree with the language, forget about it. Don't agree with the language. That is not important. What is important is the corruption that is taking place in the country.
Right.
People are fed up of corruption. People came on the streets in the last 1 year so many times for demanding a strong Lokpal bill. Why did the government not give a strong Lokpal bill? Because out of 34 ministers, 15 ministers are corrupt. If strong Lokpal bill had come, many of these ministers would have been jailed.
Now, another thing that the government says while responding to your allegations is that this is just a desperate attempt on part of Team Anna to stay relevant.
How is it important? What is important is whether the allegations are true or not. They are trying to sideline the debate.
Right.
So let them set up an honest investigation and let them find out whether the corruption charges are true or not. These are not allegations which we are making. These are allegations which have been made by CAG. These are allegations which have been made by Supreme Court, High Court. All the orders are there. So these are allegations which have been made by the highest constitutional bodies of our country.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.